And a few more words about Dominic and his hotel Premetovc. I'll be honest with you, I rarely meet people who treat history with such care and speak about their work with this kind of passion. Dominic has already restored a lot of furniture, and just listen to the way he talks about it.
So we are trying to find as many treasures like this as we can and save them. This will become my kitchen table, this will be my dining table. And one of the people who lives nearby was explaining to me, and I didn't know, that this table would have been used for making bread. It comes in 3 parts, and the top of it, which comes away, can be used for rolling the dough. And then you can put the lid back on the table, the dough will rise, and then you can come back and take your bread and you can cook it. So this is a piece of furniture which would be terrible to throw away, so I'm so glad we found it. And there's so many treasures in this building. We have to look very carefully and sort the things that we want to keep, and this is one of them.
I really loved his attitude toward his craft, and I decided to support Dominic in his work on bringing the hotel back to life. So make sure to follow to stay updated.
He feels the world is turning slow. His step is calm, his voice is low. In every crowd he stands alone. An Englishman in Premetovc.